In just a few short years, autonomous electric vehicles, AEVs, will become the norm, not the exception. The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation, and by 2025, self-driving electric cars will be an essential part of how we live, travel, and move towards a more sustainable future. In this video, we'll explore how autonomous electric cars are not only reshaping the automobile industry, but also making transportation safer, greener, and more efficient. Autonomous electric vehicles combine two of the most revolutionary advancements in transportation: self-driving technology and electric propulsion. Here's how they work. Electric powertrain. Unlike traditional vehicles, which rely on internal combustion engines, autonomous electric vehicles are powered by electric motors and batteries. Self-driving technology. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors, AI systems, and cameras that enable them to operate without human input, ensuring a safe and efficient driving experience. Connectivity. Autonomous vehicles communicate with each other and with traffic systems, creating a seamless, integrated transport network. These vehicles offer a blend of sustainability and cutting-edge technology, making them one of the most exciting innovations in the transportation sector. At their core, autonomous electric vehicles are powered by electricity, and their self-driving capabilities rely on a combination of sensors, AI algorithms, and data processing. Here's a closer look at how they operate. Battery-powered. The battery pack stores energy and powers the electric motor, which drives the vehicle forward. Most modern EVs can be charged via home chargers or public charging stations. Self-driving sensors. Autonomous cars use LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and cameras to detect obstacles, other vehicles, pedestrians, and traffic signals.